As prescribers, we know you want to ensure the formulas you recommend are safe, nutritious, and right for the cats and dogs you care for. That is why our laboratory and team of passionate associates are committed to providing the safest and highest quality products to make sure you feel confident feeding and recommending our Royal Canin health nutrition formulas.
We started this project in 2010 with 5 associates, and our team has been growing exponentially, which has given us the flexibility to perform a lot more analysis. We have people from pharmaceutical, food science, environmental, so that everybody is an expert in a different area. Our lab is accredited in ISO 17025, which is an international standard for competency of testing laboratories. We have the capability to perform a wide array of analysis that focuses on the oxidation, innovation, food safety, and nutritional needs of our pets.
Formulation for Royal Canin begins at our campus in France, where a team of veterinarians, nutritionists, and specialists design recipes from the bottom up, starting with precise nutrient profiles to support health in specific cat or dog populations. Ingredients for each manufacturing site are sourced locally whenever possible to fulfill the desired nutrient profile. To evaluate potential suppliers, we conduct a full site inspection and collect samples of their ingredients to send here to our lab for testing to ensure it meets strict Royal Canin standards for safety, quality, nutrition, and freshness. But before any of that testing can happen, our preparation department must receive and process every sample that arrives.
We receive all types of samples. We receive finished product as well as raw material. We also receive urine and feces. And dependent on the finished product or raw material, the formulation team has carefully chosen the analyses, and that's what it'll go for further testing. We are the ones that are working with the manufacturing plants and the partner labs in putting their data into our system to ensure that the food is nutritious and safe the way that we expect it to be.
Even after a supplier has been validated and accepted into our approved supplier network, Royal Canin continues to monitor the ingredients they send to our manufacturing sites. Every shipment of raw materials, including grains, animal meals, oils, fats, vitamins, and minerals, is tested on-site at the Auto Control Lab. Royal Canin's global team, including formulators and toxicologists, also determines a sampling plan for additional testing to be completed here at our lab or at our approved and regularly audited partner labs. These analyses can help evaluate the ingredient's safety, quality, nutrition, digestibility, and freshness. In addition to ingredients, our lab tests samples of the finished products coming from our manufacturing sites to ensure that any formulas leaving our facility are safe, of the highest quality, meet specific nutritional parameters, and contain targeted benefits. We also want to ensure that each diet is right for the pet and that they enjoy eating it. The cats and dogs living at the Royal Canin Pet Health Nutrition Center in Lewisburg, Ohio, helps us to understand the performance of our diets. We evaluate palatability by observing the selection and consumption of a diet to ensure the pet enjoys eating the formula. Samples of urine and stool can be collected and sent to our lab for additional analysis. We can evaluate urine samples to determine the likelihood the formula will encourage, prevent, or dissolve certain types of crystals and stones, known as saturation, and stool can be analyzed to determine the amount of the diet utilized during digestion. The analysis completed at our lab are performed using incredibly sophisticated instruments to allow us to precisely understand the safety, nutrition, and tailored benefits for the pet. The center of the lab, in terms of ensuring the formula is safe to feed, is the mass spectrometer. Mass spectrometry is so sensitive, it is used in the pharmaceutical industry as a gold standard for human drug research, development, and safety.
As the name suggests, LCMS stands for liquid chromatography, mass spectrometry. The reason why we invest so much in this type of sophisticated and precise instruments such as LCMS is because we want to be able to analyze compounds and samples and give out results that are accurate and precise that would allow the company to produce as safe and nutritious products for the pets.
Here at our lab, each analysis run on the instruments is carefully chosen to help ensure the safety, quality, nutrition, digestibility, freshness, and precision of the formulas Royal Canin makes. Our pet passionate team is committed to ensuring you feel confident in feeding and recommending Royal Canin health nutrition formulas to the cats and dogs you care for.